Welcome back to Razmov Star TV. I'm going to show you a French pocket knife made in Le Sabot, which is marked with Klingenthal, and it's a very well made French pocket knife, and it has a high carbon blade, so you need to take care of it. It's not stainless steel, you need to oil it from time to time and keep it clean. And it was made in the knife manufacturing center of France le Sabot. The handle scales smell they have a very good smell, is of juniper tree. So the handle scales, the wood is made of juniper tree, genévrier, as they say in French. So it's the wood of it. And as I mentioned it before, the handle scales have a very good smell. On the reverse side of the blade, there is an engraving that reads Le Sabot L'Alsacien. And as you can see it here, and you can see that here it handles very well. And the obverse side of the blade is also engraved, and the engraving on the obverse side of the blade reads Manufacture de Klingenthal, and that XC75. So that's the type of carbon steel blade used. So the blade is made of XC carbon steel and is very sharp. So I'm going to cut a pineapple with it, so you can take a look how sharp and how well made this carbon blade is, right? So when you go for a pineapple, you need quite a sharp knife, just to get rid of and peel it, right? As you can see it here, right? Look, goes very well. Cuts really well through pineapple.
Look, really sharp and well made. Yeah. Can remove some of them because they go deeper and I don't like it. So you can use this knife to remove everything you don't like. Yeah. The peel. Right? Can remove the skin, the peel very well.